What should I be doing right now? Making a video lesson. What do I want to be doing right now? This. I'm going to make an intro video and call it done. You guys, though, you have to go ahead and start adding and subtracting polynomials. Let's get to it.
Lesson 1.3, we're going to cover both adding and subtracting polynomials, but for video 1, we're just going to focus on adding. So adding and subtracting polynomials. Well, remember that a polynomial, we learned about in a previous lesson, that's simply an expression that has more than one term. It's got usually several terms. So when I'm adding polynomials, it's just a matter of combining like terms, and then sometimes there's some order of operations issues that you have to think about. For the most part, it's just combining like terms. Do remember, though, that terms can only be added or subtracted if they have the same variable and the same degree. So that's what makes them like terms. It's important that you remember this. All right, so what we're going to do is, when I see a problem like this, I see 2x plus 5y, and I immediately notice those parentheses. And the problem is, inside that parentheses, even if I wanted to follow the order of operations, there's nothing I can do. I can't add 2x and 5y because they don't have the same variable. Same thing over here. I can't do this subtraction because 3x and 2y are not like terms. They don't have the same variable. So what I'm going to do is go to this addition. These parentheses are serving as a grouping of these two terms and these two terms, but since it's addition, I can just say, all right, I know I need to add this 2x to this 3x because those are like terms. So you can rewrite it if you want and have those next to each other, 2x plus 3x. And then I also have a 5y. Circle that. I'm actually going to erase that so you can see this a little bit better. When you're identifying these, you want to circle the sign that's in front of it so you know that's a positive 5y, so it's a plus 5y, and a minus 2y. So make sure you keep track of the sign that's in front of your coefficient because that's important. So then it's just a matter of going through and actually combining those. 2x plus 3x is going to be 5x. 5y minus 2y is positive 3y because 5 minus 2 is 3, and your y just gets carried along. So then my final answer is 5x plus 3y. That's all there is to it. All right, you go ahead and try some. I know these look more complicated because there's more, but remember, you're just putting your x squared with your x squared because those are like terms. You're putting your x with your x and your constant with your constant, and same thing over here. All right, attempt the U-tries, then check your answers on the website, and then go to the next video, and I'll see you there.